Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily disable or enable Windows Defender Firewall in your Windows. So there are some instances that we need to or we have to turn that off in order to install a program or applications in our computer. So in order to disable that, let's start the process. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, or you can simply do a right click here and go for Run. So the moment this new window will appear, please type firewall.cpl. Okay? Once done, press OK to continue. The moment you press OK, this new window like this will appear. Okay? Here at the left side, it has this four options. In this manner, we will be going to this turned Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Just simply click that, and here you can manually customize settings for each type of network. It has two types, private and public network settings. First is just have to turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and as well as here in the public network settings, just turned off and then click on OK. Okay, so after that, you can install any software that you want to in your computer, but it's not recommended actually to turn that off forever. So in case you want to enable it again, just go back to this turned Windows on or off and simply click this turned on under the private network settings and turned on this Windows Defender Firewall under public one and then click on OK. After that, just simply close this and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone.